Okay, we're out checking how we did. And we have 9/10 of an inch. So we got real rain. And then there's little puddles everywhere. Oh my gosh, look at our little pond area.
Oh my gosh. Well, that'll help soften it up for when it digs some more.
Yeah. Her rooster's out there enjoying it. Shirley looks hilarious. It's all flooded by here.
I need to get rid of that trailer and get rid of all that so everything can flow out.
Yeah. Gotta redirect some stuff here. It used to not flood here.
Well, yeah, but trailer's there, there's hay, plant, I mean,
Yeah.
you know, it kind of builds up over a while. Yeah.
Goats.
Hey, a little nerd.
It's nice to see little pond puddles everywhere. Oh my god, here comes Bella. Oh. Oh. Let's check. How did the hay survive?
Perfect.
Really?
Perfect.
Okay, it's our new hay area. And still dry. A little wet on the ground, but still doing good. Oh, let's check in the waters. Check behind the houses on the rain collection. Oh, it overflowed! Yay! Yay! Look at that. Nice full waters. We don't have to water anything tonight. Oh, I bet this one looks a lot better too.
Oh yeah, super clean.
Oh, it's beautiful. It looks like there's more. Hopefully. That'd be awesome. It was nice. Yeah, nice. Flush. Look at all the water on the ground. Now we can actually have some freaking green stuff growing. Dave, Love, and Annie. Hi, Annie, honey. Hi, baby girl. How are you? You stupid flies stuck in you. You're a little damp. Not bad. It's really cool to see our smaller herd. Everybody was sheltered. It was perfect. Here comes the birds. Jewel and Dolly. And Velma. What happened to your face, babe? What happened to your face? Oh, you're a little wet. Sandra looks good. Ed. Sweet pea. Enjoy the water, guys. Oh my gosh. Whoops. Whoa. That was a little deeper than I expected.
Yeah, still running. Stream through here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's Shirley.
Little Shirley bird.
Her muddy face.
You're just a mess.
You're a hot mess.
You're just a mess. Aren't you just a mess? You just a mess.
You look ridiculous.
You just a mess.
You look ridiculous.
You're just a mess.
You're a hot mess. Yay, rain.